Hi, I'm Ipsa. Uh, we are starting with quadratic equations, focusing on word problems. I haven't mentioned that, but we are focusing on word problems. Okay, this is part A of that. In this part, we are taking those questions that question which is age related. Questions have been classified as age related, fraction numbers, boat, up and down, the various categories in which problem sums, question sum, word sums people have categorized into. Okay, so we're doing age related problems. You'll find similar episodes in equations in two variables also. उसमें क्या होता था, हमें x लेना अलाउड होता था और y लेना अलाउड होता था. We had to take two variables, we had two equations and we used to solve them. Now whenever the topic is quadratic equation, or they specifically say take one variable. Okay, that is what is the chapter about. Okay, let's write the question. I have got to write it earlier. I'll quickly write it. Father is 3 years less than 5 times age of his son. Okay, 5 years ago he was 5 years ago, let me do some calculations. 5 was 2 years more than ten times his no 10 times his son that time. Find their ages. Typically I keep the question written on the board and then start the video, but somehow I forgot today. Okay, so you can see it's age related. फादर की एज है, सन की एज है, 5 साल पहले ये हुआ, 2 साल बाद ये हुआ, थिंग्स लाइक दिस. Okay, now how do we proceed? If you've seen the equations in two variables, you would know that we always have a column, a table, rows and columns. पर उसमें कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं थी कि फादर को एक्स लेना है कि सन को एक्स लेना है. फाइंड देयर एजेस, मतलब यू हैव टू फाइंड द एज ऑफ द फादर. आपको बेटे की भी एज निकालनी है, फादर की भी एज निकालनी है. उसमें कोई रिस्ट्रिक्शन नहीं होता था, किसी को भी एक्स ले लो, किसी को भी वाई ले लो. बट हियर यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल. Read that first hint that I've given there. Take only one variable, x only suppose, of the thing mentioned latter. Latter मतलब जो बाद में बोली गई हो. ओके, सेंटेंस जो होगा, मेन सेंटेंस, उसमें जो बाद में पर्सन का नाम है, that has to be taken as x. This is very very important. जैसे ये सेंटेंस क्या है, फादर इज सन. पहले क्या बोला है, फर्स्ट फादर बोला है, फादर के बारे में बोला है, एंड देन समथिंग समथिंग समथिंग, एंड देन सन के बारे में बोला है. बाद में कौन बोला, बाद में किसका नाम बोला है, सन का. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द हिंट, द स्टाइल आई एम टीचिंग यू, जो बाद में बोला जाता है ना, उसको हम हमेशा एक्स लेते हैं. ओके, Now, how do we make the table? Here, always there are three things: present, past, and future. Okay, there are three things. Here are the two numbers, digits, boat, ye wo. So in this case, here it is father, and there is a column for son, and that box makes the table. I'm sorry, it's a little crooked in shape, but okay. So we've decided कि हम सन की एज को x लेने वाले हैं, प्रेजेंट एज को. अभी वो कितना है, अभी सन कितना है, वी विल टेक एज x. दैट्स द फर्स्ट ट्रिक सेज. ठीक है ना, x तो आ गया प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ सन. अब फादर की भी कोई प्रेजेंट एज होगी, वो कैसे निकालेंगे? ये the simple thing is convert the English sentence into math sentence as it is. English बोल पढ़ते जाओ, maths लिखते जाओ, English पढ़ते जाओ, maths लिखते जाओ. Father is मतलब यहाँ लिखना है father is. एक एक word is correct. This is 3 years less. 3 years लेस का मतलब हमेशा होता है -3 प्लस. Whenever it is something less, you always write it as -3, whatever, -5 plus. This stands for 3 years less. This is how it is written as, to avoid mistake. There are many other methods, but if you write like this, there will be no mistakes whatsoever. Okay, 3 years less than 5 times sun. 5 times sun. Now how much is the sun? Sun is x. So 5 times sun. Now if I reshuffle it, do it properly, I know I can write it as 5x minus 3. Yes, you can just shuffle it. What do you get? The father says it 5x minus 3. So that's what I write here. I still have only one variable x. We are doing only one variable. We cannot do 2 variables. Okay. Then we'll read the next sentence. 5 years ago. The moment we read this sentence, 5 years ago means past, right? That means we are interested in this column, this row, and we don't need this future one. We don't need the future. The question is related to 5 years ago. And here also, mention it here, 5 years ago. जो यहाँ पे लिखा है 5 years ago, वो हमने पास्ट की बात हो गई ना, तो हमने पास्ट के साथ लिख दिया 5 years ago की बात कर. अब सन, राइट, इफ ही इज राइट नाउ x years, 5 साल पहले कितना होगा? Okay, suppose we are not able to understand. Right now, if the sun is 12, if somebody is 12 years old, how much was he 5 years ago? भी आज 12 है, तो 5 साल पहले 7 साल का होगा. So here, what do you get is, in the past, the sun was present age -5. There's not even, please don't even read the question ago. The moment you come here, now just put a full stop to your reading. Always. Whenever they say 2 years later, 5 years ago, hence ye wo, just put a stop to your reading. Fill the column. अभी x है, 5 साल पहले x minus 5 हो जाएगा. ये father अभी father is 5x minus 3. So how much will he become? He'll become 5x minus 3 and minus 5. ये भी जितना है उससे 5 साल छोटा हो जाएगा. Now I'm calculating it, simplifying it, and it becomes 5x minus 8. Okay, I'm just combining these two. And can I rub this? Okay, let it be. We will not use it. This is what is more important. 5x after solving. Now this full stop gets over. यहाँ तक हम पढ़ चुके हैं. यहाँ तक देखो हमने हर चीज़ यूज़ कर ली. फादर 3 years लेस यूज़ कर लिया. 5 times फादर भी यूज़ कर लिया. 5 years ago भी यूज़ कर लिया. We have used every data. Now let's see. He was. Who's this he now? Father or son? Little English. Father is something about the son. He was. He means now father. Okay, you have to be very clear whether this he is the father or the son. पहले the sentence is father is 3 times son. He is now. That means this he is they are talking about the father. तो जहाँ हम full stop लगा देते ना, वहाँ हमारी टेबल भी कंप्लीट हो जाती है. एंड उसके बाद वी स्टार्ट फॉर्मिंग इक्वेशंस. जब हम फुल स्टॉप लगाते हैं ना, टेबल गेट्स ओवर, पूरी फील्ड है, देखो जगह नहीं. नाउ दिस इक्वेशन मेकिंग स्टार्ट्स. इक्वेशन मेकिंग अगेन, एक एक इंग्लिश का वर्ड पढ़ते जाओ, कीप कन्वर्टिंग इनटू मैथ्स. मैथ्स में उसको लिखते जाओ. ही मतलब फादर, सो आई एम राइटिंग फादर. Is this not father? Is this not father? Okay. Wait, I'll write here so that you can understand this. I'll have to write small, so please. Father was 2 years more than 10 times his son. This is the sentence which is given. I've written it again so that I can show how to convert English sentence into maths directly, very easily, very easily. It's like a kid's job. Father क्या है? 5x minus 8. So as it is, I'm copying 5x minus 8 was. Is, was, will be. These words are equal to. Father was 2 years more. जैसे वहाँ 3 years less था, 2 years more का मतलब होता है +2 plus. Always write like this. It will never go wrong. If it is something less, then you wrote -3 plus. And if it is more, write +2 plus. Okay? 2 years more को हमने मैथ्स में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. 2 years more than, मैं भूल गई लिखना, 10 times son. 10 times मतलब 10 times son कितना है? Son is x minus 5. So 10 times x minus 5. You have formed the perfect equation. Now what is left is solving this nicely. Okay, so let's do it. 5x minus 8 is equal to 2 plus 10x minus 50. Okay, so I'm shifting things here and there. So this becomes, it did not become quadratic. Sorry, it remained linear, but at least we know how to solve it. This thing 58, so it becomes 42. 42 minus 2 is 40. Right? 5x, 10x, 5x, 50 minus 8 is 42. 42 minus 2 is 40. X comes out to be 8. Yeah. So by chance it did not form a quadratic equation, so x square nahi aaya, but the way the quadratic comes, the method how it is solved is this only. Okay, so what do you get? The son is right now how much? 8 years. And how much is the father right now? Father right now is 5x minus 3. So it's 5x minus 3, which is 5 into 8 minus 3, that is equal to 5 into 40, 37. So father is 37 right now. Okay, so these are your answers, and this is how you will solve, even if it is an quadratic equation. If it is a quadratic equation, you will use, there will be an x square term, you will use either D method, or you will use middle term splitting, or something you will use to find the x. But the methodology remains this. Make table. Okay, these are the hints points that I have mentioned. जो second चीज mentioned होती है ना, variable mentioned later in the sentence. Latter also means later. Latter in the sentence, उसको x लेना है, जो बाद sentence में बाद में लिखना है. This is important. Then make a table and complete it. Read the question half only and complete the table. Then later on finish the question, reading the question and make the equation and then solve it. Hope this thing is clear. We'll make more videos on more topics like board going up and down, and numerator, denominator, and there's so many types. We'll take examples of each of them in quadratic form now. I'll be careful to write a question which gets you a quadratic. Thank you.